If you are a teenager or even adult and want to earn some extra money but not doing any effort at all, then I am going to show you a very simple but efficient way of earning money by just simply using your favorite search engine. How cool is that? Hi, you are watching educational videos and today I am going to show you how you can earn money by searching the web. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and ring that bell icon so you could never miss any of my videos. So, when you search online, you most probably use Google search engine. So you type your search, press enter, and results are displayed. No fun, right? Google does not pay you for using their search engine, but there is a search engine that will pay you for searching. I'm talking about Presearch.org. It is a decentralized search engine where you are paid for every search you make. On every search, Presearch pays you pre-tokens. If you want to check the current value of these pre-tokens, I have provided a link in the description. Please check it out. Now let's see how it works. Just like Google, you type your query here in the search bar and select your favorite search engine. It will redirect you to that search engine and pre-tokens will be added to your account. If you want to select search engine other than Google, no problem. Presearch has taken care of it. Just click here and click on providers. Here is a complete list of all search engines. You can select any of them. For example, I am going to select the Amazon search engine. Type your query and now you will be redirected to Amazon. Okay, now let's move back. And if you look at the top right corner, here are the pre-tokens that I have earned till now. If you click on it, it will show you how many eligible tokens you have and when you are allowed to withdraw these tokens. With Presearch, you can earn 8 pre-tokens per day, means you can do 32 searches per day with Presearch. I know it is not a lot of money, but let me tell you something. You use Google daily for your searches and earn nothing. But here Presearch is at least paying you for your searches. So I think something is better than nothing, right? By doing this, you are not going to waste neither of your time nor your money. So I really suggest you to use Presearch. Here is a bonus for you. If you want 25 pre-tokens just by creating an account, visit the link below. Then you don't have to start from 0 pre-tokens. That's all for now. If this video helps you, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if not, feel free to give suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you very much and cheers.